Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 414 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out from my March Ipsy Glam bag the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow that I got in the shade Messy Lochnessy. And if you want to see my March Ipsy unbagging, I will link that video down below. But oh my gosh, this is such a gorgeous eyeshadow and a brand that I've never even heard of before. But when I was looking them up online, these eyeshadows go for $9 and they come in so many different shades. They're also cruelty-free and vegan. And let me show you this shade. Oh my gosh, I swatched this in my unbagging and I was so impressed. It's like the most beautiful metallic. I find so many like gorgeous metallic eyeshadow singles from Ipsy so far, but I don't have anything in this shade. And oh, this is like such a gorgeous shade of green to me. I love this shade of green and I love metallics, so I'm so excited to play with this. But something I do want to be sure to do before I apply this to my eyelids is I'm going to go and prime my eyelid, because when I use darker shades like this, I want to always be sure to prime my eye before applying, just because I don't want to stain my eyelid. And so, of course, going in with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to prime my eyelids. And I just use this in the original shade. And if you want to see my review on this primer, I will definitely link it down below. So this can be applied with your finger or with a brush. So I'm going to try first applying it with a brush, because sometimes with these types of eyeshadows, you get a completely different look when you apply it with a brush versus with your finger. So I'm going to try using a brush to work it into the crease to see if that will give me more of a subtle shade. And yeah, right away as I'm applying this and working it into the crease, it is just a touch of green. I can see some shimmer, but it really is just like a very light touch of green. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more and build that up a little bit more. But I do kind of want to keep the crease shade looking more smoked out. Wow, this is actually blending out really nicely. Ooh. Wow, this shade is so pretty. I love the shimmer shine of that metallic effect. Oh, it's so gorgeous already. And I actually really like this in the crease. I think it was really easy to blend out. It looks really pretty. I like the emphasis to the eye. It's really pretty dramatic effect. Ooh, I've never put a metallic green in my crease, but I am so pleasantly surprised. All right, now I'm gonna go in using my finger to apply it to the entire eyelid. See how that looks. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And it has that kind of sticky powder texture. Yes, this is applying exactly how I was hoping. So when I'm applying it with my finger, it's coming off as a different effect than when I applied it with the brush. So it looks darker, it looks more opaque, it looks more metallic, and just so easy to apply. Oh, so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with this shade right now that I'm gonna go in with even more. Not that it needs it at all. It's still fully pigmented, but oh my gosh, I didn't even know if I would be able to build up the color anymore, but I actually can. So I'm actually just gonna focus this extra built up color in the center of the eyelid and try and create a look using just this one shadow. And that was so quick and easy. I'm just gonna clean up underneath a tiny bit. Let me make sure I give you a good look at how beautiful this eyeshadow is and how versatile it is too, because you can keep it subtle, you can make it very bold and metallic. Oh my gosh, I love this shade of green so much. And even with my green eyes, I feel like it looks really complementing to them. I feel like my green eye, since it's only on one eye, is popping. And it looks so great on my eyelid with lots of creases. This is looking so smooth. It's not settling into the creases at all. It feels so comfortable on my eyelid too. Doesn't feel any different between either of the eyes, so that's amazing for how much eyeshadow I have on my eye right now. So I really do feel like I could wear this green eyeshadow look using just this one shade because of the kind of ombre effect that you can create with it. Now I really want to try out more colors from this brand. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these Space Case eyeshadows and if you have any recommendations for other colors that I should get. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.